guys, and welcome back to Midnight Modifications. On today's show we've got this green Mini in the garage and I'm going to hand you over to Stephen to explain why.
Hi guys, my name's Stephen and this is my 1998 multi-point injection Rover Mini. I recently picked this car up for 1,500 quid off a driveway find. When we got it, the clutch wasn't working, it was C-solid, it didn't run. MOT sheet fail list as long as your arm. So what we've got at the front is 4 beautiful spotlights for lighting up the deers down the back road or just spotting those doggers. Okay, so today we replaced the clutch slave cylinder. So the original one just here was seized absolutely solid and lost all its fluid. Lucky enough, it's only a 30 quid fix, so nothing too bad. We unseized the clutch fork arm and got it running and driving, just to see what it was like, see if we had any leaks, any other mechanical problems. Ball joints definitely need doing, they rattle around like an handful of pills in a mobility scooter. So it's in British Racing Green 3. We have on the doors, racing things, and then we have the number 33, and Italia 07.
For those that can't read.
As we come around, we have an Aston Martin style locking cap.
Still launched on a DB11.
Yep. The car's fairly tidy for its age. It's got the normal rust spots for a Mini. The interior smells ripe, would be the correct word to use. We have a lovely fake walnut dash. We have a lovely steering wheel, what looks like it's straight out of a Rover 25. Some nice leather interior and carpet, because everybody loves carpet. And look at my walnut door handles and door opener, cracking. So that's a quick run around of my 1998 Rover Mini. We do have a grille, it's currently on the back seat. Because of increase in emissions needed to be sorted, basically, with all the environmental crap that comes with cars these days. So what they did was they built a multi-point injection A-series engine. What makes the A-series far more complicated than it ever needed to be. They added fuel injection via 2 injectors. And we've got a proper style coil pack on it. Well, I don't mind. Moved the alternator up here, moved the radiator to the front. It had, at best from the factory, 50 horsepower. I think this one's got 2 left maybe. They're a good unit, they work. They're not mappable, they're barely modifiable without getting rid of the original ECU, the injection system. And that, it's no song and dance really. And on that note, back to the studio. Guys, later. Please keep that in. On that note, back to the studio.
Wickens. It's fucking Dutch. I don't know what to say. Wickens. That's snorting.
Compose yourself.
Composed. Hey guys, and welcome back to Midnight Modifications. Yeah. No, fuck it. I forgot my name of the fucking company now. Hey guys, and welcome back to Midnight Modifications. On today's show we've got this green Mini and I'm going to hand you over to Stephen to tell you why. Are you camera shy?
It was the little 2 seconds of walking. The ball joints on this rattle as bad as your mum on a Saturday night for the pills. And yeah, pretty much, more to come soon.
Begin screwing this screw. Not too tight now, you might crack something. As you can tell, he has not done this before. He looks at
Shit, you've been spotted! Make a run! On that note, back to the studio. This car, mate, is for sale. 5,000 Ugandan dollars.
Sold, cut, loaded. You recording? I smile every time we focus. It's fucking record every time. Are you going? Right, pause it for a sec.